Aloha, everyone. Terry Crowley here, health and wellness educator. So we know it's the middle of summer. This is that time of year when we love to be outdoors in the sun, just enjoying life, or you could be doing something like I enjoy doing, which is being out working in the garden and maybe pulling weeds, because we all got a lot of those too. But you know what? There's one thing that we can definitely do without: bugs. We can definitely do without those bugs. We're talking about mosquitoes. We're talking about flies. We're talking about ants. Did you know that mosquito-borne diseases can cause over 700,000 deaths each year globally? That's a staggering number. That's what these little critters can do. These little invaders can quickly ruin our time outside. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you some fantastic natural remedies using dōTERRA essential oils that will help to keep those bugs at bay so that we can enjoy our summer to the fullest. Let's get started. We're going to talk a little bit about understanding essential oils. So essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that capture the natural fragrance and beneficial properties of plants. They can be used three ways. The first one is called aromatically. So you're going to put your drops in your diffuser, you turn on your diffuser, it will mist out in the air, and you're going to get all the benefits of that. The second is called topical, where you can put it onto your skin, whether it be your arms, your legs, your back. The third one is, and this surprises a lot of people, which is internally. And we say about 85% of the dōTERRA essential oils can be used internally. That's because of its purity. Now, when it comes to a bug repellent, there are certain essential oils that have properties that deter insects extremely effectively. So the first one I'm going to mention is called citronella oil. Citronella is in many of the products, has a stronger scent, but that scent is one that will mask the human scent so that the bugs have a harder time to find us, and that's what's important. The second one I'm going to mention is peppermint oil. Peppermint, not only does it have a great refreshing smell, but it also has properties in it that repel the ants, the spiders, the fleas, all of those, because they don't like the peppermint smell. And you can use that topically, or you can use it in a diffuser. The third one I'm going to talk about is one that's called Terra Shield Blend. This is a proprietary blend from dōTERRA designed specifically for outdoor protection. It combines several oils that are known for their bug repelling properties, making it definitely a great choice for outdoor activities. The fourth one I'll cover is lemongrass oil. Similar to citronella, the lemongrass has a stronger scent that will mask out the human scent so that the bugs won't be attracted to you. It can be used in sprays, or it can be used in a diffuser outdoors. And then the fifth one that I'll mention is lavender, and I know a lot of you have used lavender, and I love the smell of lavender. Lavender is great for that, but it also has some properties that repel mosquitoes and other insects while providing a calming effect. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about safety and application, which is always important when we're talking about essential oils. The first thing I'll mention is always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before application if you're not sure if you're sensitive to the oil or not. Second, conduct a patch test on a small area of skin just to check for any reactions that you may have. The third thing is avoid applying oils directly to sensitive areas like your face or your eyes or inside your ears, and then use essential oils in well-ventilated areas when you're going to be diffusing them. Okay, now we're ready to move on to the DIY recipes for you. The first one that we're going to cover is a bug repellent spray. It's going to be 10 drops of the citronella oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil, and 10 drops of lemongrass oil. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of witch hazel and about 4 ounces of water, and you're going to put all of those and combine all those ingredients in a glass or metal spray bottle. Then you're going to shake well before each use, and you can spray that on exposed skin and clothing. Great for a bug repellent spray. The second DIY I have for you, it's called Soothing Bug Bite Relief, and it's a roll-on. So the ingredients are the 10 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of tea tree or melaleuca oil. You're going to add 2 tablespoons of the carrier oil, like the coconut oil, or you could use jojoba. And then with those, you're going to put them in that glass roll-on bottle. You're going to mix the oils, and then you can apply them directly right on the bites for a soothing relief. The number 3 DIY that I'm going to cover with you is called Outdoor Diffuser Blend. The ingredients: 5 drops of dōTERRA Shield Blend, 5 drops of peppermint oil, and 5 drops of lavender oil. With this, again, you're going to add the oils to your diffuser with water according to whatever the manufacturer's instructions are for the diffuser that you have. Thank you for joining me today. By using dōTERRA essential oils, we can enjoy our summer activities without the annoyance of bugs. If you like these summer DIY recipes and many, many more, comment playbook below and we'll send you the access link. And with that, I say aloha.